Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis. Today we're going to learn about common Excel errors. Common Excel errors occurs while you're working on Excel sheet and especially when you're doing budgeting, when you do not use your formulas very well, the Excel will display for you error. And this error means that you do not use the right formula or you are missing out something. Excel errors communicate inappropriateness of using the formulas or you have not aligned certain things well on your Excel sheet. So today I'm going to show you how common Excel error occurs. So let's get started with this. I'm going to show you various errors and then how we can easily correct them. So let's get the total of this. We get this, open a bracket, we say this, uh, then uh, by the plus this, we get this. How has this occurred? This is what's called hash value error. When you are dealing with the numericals and then you're subtracting numerical from one, you are able to get this Excel error. Okay, you get this, so you can easily ignore or you change. So we're going to deal on this. Now here, I'm going to show you hash diff error. How does hash diff error occur? So we say this, open bracket, we say this, uh, we do this by this, bracket, we get that is hash diff error. Okay, and then here, when we say it, and then here when we say it, scroll down, this also has diff error. Why? Because you are subtracting anything to zero to get has diff error. Let me show you other errors also. Let me show you other errors. Let me show you other errors. Uh, let me say, let me say, bracket, in a bracket, this, this, bracket, you get that, right? You get that? This is what we call hash error. Hash error occurs normally because there is so little space. So what you do, you can just increase the space, get corrected. That is what we call hash error, and that commonly occurs. So now to get this, hash errors occurs commonly when you have used the right formula, but when you do not have what we call that space. The space is very little and then your words are big. So when you drag this down, and you put here missing, put here missing, put here missing. So which means that here you are trying to multiply numericals with the values. A numerical, you are trying to separate, trying to multiply numericals with words. So it gives you what is called hash value or hash error. So multiplying numerical with with uh, with what gives you errors. That is what we have to know. Let's also see another error that commonly occurs. Let's also see another error. Let me say here, just add this, add, I open, let me say this, to this plus this, I close the bracket. You get this? This is what's called hash name error. Hash name error simply occurs when you have uh, a function that does not exist on your Excel, like add. Excel does not have add, but rather Excel has sum. Excel has sum. You get? This is what it means. So you can only correct that by changing the formula, and then you get right formula. And then let me also show you another error, and then this yes because that. But let me say this. Let me say this. So not there. Sorry. Yeah. But let me also put for you this. Sorry. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Show you this. Say this. You see that? When you have deleted the set formula or items that you have included in your formula, it's going to bring for you what's called Hasrif error. Hasrif error commonly occurs when you have deleted a set formula and then the result is going to show to you that it is Hasrif error. So that is how Hasrif error occurs. Just because you not what use certain things right. Hope this can guide you. So you can just do that by undoing what you deleted and your thing comes back. I hope you've learned something. Please like and share. Thank you.